And today we are going to fix that problem with our UI. Remember that when you change the size of the screen, the position and size of our UI gets crazy. It stays the same, right? So the first thing that we can do here in the canvas scalar component, instead of constant pixel size, we can use the scale with screen size. Let's say, I think this size is pretty standard, but their position isn't very well fixed. And that happens because using this position here, the position X and Y, 50 for a screen of this size is different than 50 for a screen of this size. So we have our panel here, and we can use the anchor system. What is the anchor system? Well, this position here, let's just change this to the anchor in the middle. This position here is not an absolute value, it is instead in relation with where the anchor is. The anchor is this thing here. So the 0, 0 position is right on the top of the anchor. The negative 100 will be a bit to the left of the anchor, and so on. And how do you position and how the anchors work? Well, the anchors are a percentage of the screen. And that's how you properly anchor the UI on places that you want. So it goes from 0 to 1. So you can just multiply this by 100 and you can see that is on the 50% of the x-axis. So right in the middle. If you choose here, the anchor will be 0, 0, both for the x and the y. If you choose here, it is everything on 1. If it is here, x0 and y on 50%. So this is how you choose where you want to anchor stuff. And you can also use values that are, say, around here, and 20% on the x, and right in the middle on the y.